I did put her on the cruise.
Guys, I just want 20 million naira.
If I slap you.
Ratty man, ratty just put it in. She found.
Remember the 20,000 naira I deposited on 1xBet? I was given a 200% bonus after I used the promo code CBET. And I used this all to place a bet, and that's how I won the 20 million naira.
As I gave her the dollar, she say make
Two boys, we're going clubbing today. Hold on, let me place a quick call. Yo, Nasbo, pull up. Let's go spend about 4 million naira on some strippers.
Oh, see small nyash they shake oh. 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 Suffocate them with your bum bum. Suffocate them with your bum bum. Suffocate them with your bum bum. Suffocate them with your bum 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 bum. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, say one time.
Yo, bro, I heard you want to spend 4 million on strippers. Of course.
Oh, say! Who be that guy with the talk in here? Who be that nigga with the talk in here? Who be that guy with the talk in here? With the two in here? We want to see in here? Say, now your papa money.